Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Scorers. So today we are talking about an interesting topic from organic chemistry, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. So as usual we'll be seeing the total weightage of this chapter, how the marks are allotted and what kind of questions can be asked from this particular chapter. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So the total weightage of this chapter is 7 marks. So scoring the 7 marks is damn easy and you'll be knowing how by the end of this video. So do watch till end and without skipping. So let's begin. So how the marks are allotted? It is 2 plus 5. So you have a 2 marker and you have a 5 marker question from this particular chapter. So we already know that in chemistry, the 5 markers are not asked in a direct manner usually. Like it won't be a direct big answer. So it will be divided. And how it is divided? It can be 3 plus 1 plus 1 or it can be 3 plus 2. So you have a 1 marker questions also from this chapter which you need to know properly to gain the complete 7 marks from this chapter. So we'll get started. What are the 1 marker questions that can be asked from this chapter? So that is the Markovnikov's rule. So this is just a rule and usually they'll be giving you the equations for which you have to apply this rule and then complete the equation kind of. Then you have preparations of phenols. So you have many methods of preparations of phenols, but majorly they're going to ask you from 2 particular things, that are from haloarenes or from cumene. Here also it can be like the completing the reactions. It will be in such way. Then you have acetylation to form aspirin. This is very important, formation of aspirin by the method of acetylation. Then you have nitration, which is very simple and very easy also to gain marks. Then you have denaturing of alcohol. It's just the definition of that, what it actually means. That is what I'm trying to say, like the definition of denaturing of alcohol. Then you have Lucas reagent, the general formula, like what is the composition of Lucas reagent is the major question that can be asked. Now let's see what are the 2 marker questions that can be asked from this chapter. So it can be reasoning type questions like why alcohols are weak acids than water. Since it is a 2 marker question, I don't think you need to explain it very much. Then you can just keep it brief and to the point. Then you have another reasoning question also, that is why phenols are more acidic than alcohols and water. This is also a 2 marker question and also a reasoning type question. You just need to give the correct reason why it is actually like that. Then you have naming reactions. As I said before, the naming reactions in organic chemistry, not only from this chapter but all chapters of organic chemistry, are very important. So what are the naming reactions that can be asked from this chapter? There are only 2 naming reactions, that is Krebs reaction and Reimer-Teimer reaction. So if you know the reactions properly, then you can easily ace this chapter. Then also you have Williamson synthesis. This is also a kind of name reaction, but it is not, I can't say this as a name reaction because it's just like the reaction which is given and how it is synthesized. Now let's see what are the 3 marker that can be asked, and this 3 marker is a compulsory question. So you will definitely have this 3 marker from, and along with this 3 marker they can be a 2 marker or they can be 2 1 markers. So let's see what are the 3 markers that can be asked from this chapter. So these are majorly, they can ask you about the mechanisms. So here you have only 3 mechanisms, and if you know the 3 mechanisms, then that's it. You can just ace this chapter. Now let's see what are the 3 mechanisms I was talking about before. So first one is preparation of ethanol from ethene. Then next you have dehydration of ethanol. Then you have preparation of diethoxyethane from ethanol. So all the 3 mechanisms are damn important and very important. If you know how to carry over the mechanisms, how to do the mechanisms properly, then I think you can just ace this chapter. So since this is for 3 marks, out of 7, 3 marker questions are, it's compulsory what I said. So it's fixed. If you know all these 3, then 3 markers are in your hands. So another remaining 4 marks, which I said before, if you know all these 1 markers and 2 markers, then you can just get all the 7 marks from this chapter. So this is all about in this chapter, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.